Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ambition Rights. So today I'm going to be showing you this cute two braided ponytail type style. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So we're going to start off with stretched hair. If you want to know how I got my heatless stretch hair, then check out my previous video. I show you my wash day routine and how I ultimately stretched my hair. But anyway, back to this. So we're going to start off with a middle part. Make sure the part goes all the way back. So I use the middle of my eyebrow as an indicator of where to put my next part, like so. And then I lightly detangle my hair, make sure there's no snags and nothing like that, since we are braiding our hair for about a week. And then I'm going to take a creamy leave-in conditioner. In this case, I'm taking the Product Junkie Naturals Creamy Whipped Flaxseed Buttercream Gel. And I'm going to put that on my edge. It's kind of like a relaxer. If y'all had a relaxer, y'all know what I'm saying. You put that all around your edges and your hairline. And then I'm going to smooth that in with a boar bristle brush. And I'm going to make sure I do that on both sides of my hair because that's kind of how I want a smoother look. And then I'm going to take the Miele Organics Honey and Ginger Edge Control Gel and kind of put that over the cream that I put just for a smoother, more sleek finish. And then I'm going to proceed to braid. This is not a braiding tutorial, I'm sorry guys, but you could definitely go look that up. You could also do flat twists if you want. That will also look pretty cute, but I'm about to braid my hair real quick. And then do the same exact thing on the other side. Now we're going to focus on the other sections of my hair. I'm going to wet my hair and then I'm going to put that same creamy flaxseed gel on. This stuff is amazing. Y'all going to see why in a second. And we're going to apply it just like we were doing before and use a brush to smooth it down. Now, y'all, look at this. Give it a second. Give it a second. Look at this. I didn't use no gel. This is what I've been using besides gel. Look at that. Yes. So I'm going to proceed and do that on the other side. I'm going to take the Product Junkie Naturals Edge Control and put that on my edges and kind of just do my edges however I kind of want to. Then I'm going to smooth it all together to form the ponytail. And then I'm going to split that in two and I'm going to twist each section. Just a chunky twist, nothing too serious. And then I'm going to wrap one twist over the other. And then the other twist over it. I'm just forming like a cute little bun. Like nothing too serious, but I think it just added something cute to it. Again, this is a protective style, so I wanted my ends covered. And then I just added some mousse. I had the Cantu one. I didn't really care about it, but I'm just going to focus that on my braids. I'm not trying to get this on my scalp or anything because it is a mousse, but I just wanted to focus it on the braids to make it nice and sleek and have the flyaways, you know, be away. So I just wanted to do that. And then I put on a scarf to kind of seal that in for a few minutes. And then this is the end results. This was super cute. It lasted all week. I loved it. It was low maintenance and I did not use gel. I didn't use gel, just edge control and some leave-in conditioner basically. Yes. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.